You heard a shot? That's an interesting puzzle, isn't it, sir?
If you do, please say so and stop playing games with me, Columbo.
You put me in the position of the little boy who cried wolf. I gotta hand it to you. You committed the perfect crime.
Do we have any more copy for this?
Yes, I do. I have some.
How is Sean coming with the Nymph of the Year shoot?
Well, he's shooting as we speak.
He's shooting? Or he's playing?
Oh, I don't know about that.
Let's see what the cameras tell us.
Okay, everybody. That's a wrap. Take 10.
Okay. 10 minutes.
You're so gorgeous. Hello, sweetheart.
Don't sweetheart me. And wipe that silly, smirking little boy grin off your face. We spend every dime we take in on the chateau, the parties, the shopping sprees, the nymphs.
All right, sell 49% to Matthews and sell 2% to me.
That would give you control of the company. I don't think Sir Harry would like that.
Why shouldn't I have control? I started Bachelor's World. I am Bachelor's World.
We started Bachelor's World. With my money.
Is there a piano?
Have a safe trip.
Thank you, Cosmo.
Yes, ma'am.
Please make sure the smoked salmon is Scottish, not domestic.
You got Miss Hunter's basket, Louis?
Hey, already.
Have a safe trip, ma'am.
When you went into the restaurant, where did you park?
In the back alley by the rear entrance to the kitchen.
In the back alley. And you were in for a couple of minutes. So there was enough time for someone to come up in another car and switch someone else from Miss Hunter.
There wasn't enough time. You see, I was in the restaurant less than a minute when I heard a shot.
You heard a shot?
Whenever Diane wanted to record a meeting, she would leave the intercom on, and my machine would automatically record it. I've been wondering whether she'd want me to give this to you.
I've been buzzing you for 5 minutes. Get me some coffee.
Right away, Sean.
Oh, that was my fault, Sarah, that she didn't hear you buzzing.
Here's your coffee, Sean.
You forgot the cream again. Can you get it into your head? It's Diane who drinks her coffee black. I use cream.
I'm sorry, Sean. I'll get your cream right away.
Do you see anything wrong in that picture, sir?
No. If you do, please say so and stop playing games with me, Columbo.
The cream. The cream, sir. The lady in that picture is pouring cream in her coffee. Now this one, they blew up for me. Look very, very carefully.
It is her. There's no question about it. It's her jewelry. That's a ring. And that's a bracelet. We have identical bracelets. Right down to the little button here that switches off the beeper. Look closely.
That's a beeper?
Our paging beepers. Since Diane and I are the only two who know the numbers, when it beeps, we know who it is and that it's important.
Well, that's very impressive, sir. But all the evidence indicates that she was shot. And someone switched places with her.
But who? How?
That's an interesting puzzle, isn't it, sir? The body was hidden right here, under the seat. Right in that storage area, along with the murder weapon. Did I tell you, sir, that the lab...
No, you didn't, Columbo. Along with my fingerprints, no doubt.
Yes, sir, fingerprints on the casing and on the gun.
Making me prime suspect, I suppose.
No, sir, you were swimming at the time. We've got 20 pretty girls who testify to that.
Thank goodness for that.
And of course, we know the killer had to be a woman, someone who could pass for Diane. Oh, excuse me, sir, I didn't mean to intrude.
You're not intruding, Columbo. Come in. We're just reading about you in newspapers from all over the world. You're famous. Look, you're on television.
Quite a bit of dirt has been uncovered, and
Although it would have been better for your career if you'd actually found something.
I got pictures of every blonde who came closest to her description from security. There were only 4 of them. This one was on a yacht in Rio de Janeiro, and these 2 had alibis, leaving...
Tina.
Me?
Tina was at the party all night.
No one remembers seeing Tina for 28 hours after that. That's enough time for Tina to fly to London as Diane and come back as somebody else.
What do you want?
I just want to know where you were for that 28 hours.
Columbo. This just arrived from Diane. See the postmark? Milan, last Wednesday.
If you don't believe me and you want proof that Diane's alive and well, take this to your experts along with these samples of Diane's handwriting.
I'll do that, sir. Thank you, sir.
Too bad Diane sent that postcard. I could have milked this publicity for another week.
Funny you should say that. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. The boys in handwriting, sir, they can't confirm that the writing on this postcard belongs to Miss Hunter. They say it's inconclusive.
Lieutenant Columbo will issue a statement with new evidence concerning the disappearance of my beloved partner, Diane Hunter. Lieutenant, what is the new evidence? Have you got your statement ready, Lieutenant?
I really hate to keep bothering you this way, but I just gotta know where you were all that time.
You hate to keep bothering me? If you hate bothering me so much, why don't you stop it?
I think I will. My way isn't working. These men are taking me in for questioning. I think you're right. This way is better.
come along, ma'am.
I've decided not to sell. At least not at your price.
My offer's fair. It's what the magazine's worth.
According to this issue's circulation figures, the magazine is worth twice what it was last week.
I'll up my offer by $2 million.
Save your breath, Matthews. The magazine's not for sale.
Up it by £2 million and we may have a deal.
There's no need to worry about your future, Sean. I'm a generous man. I'll give you a month.
Shopping spree leaves in 10 minutes, girls. You're really thinking about selling, aren't you?
The only reason I went along with your disappearance scheme was just to milk more money out of Sir Harry.
I've been thinking how wonderful life would be if you just disappeared.
Morning.
There's no doubt about it. That is Diane.
Don't you see something missing in that picture, sir? Where's her bracelet? Like the bracelet that matches yours, sir. Where is it on that picture? She underestimated you, didn't she, sir? It never occurred to her that you were setting her up to be an accomplice to her own murder. The first time she disappeared was all play acting. But this time you killed her, sir.
Why would I do that?
To get control of her magazine. Your articles of incorporation provide that if either party is incapacitated for 30 days or longer, the other partner has sole power of attorney.
You think I killed her? Then you find the body. Start digging.
You know I can't tear this place apart again. You put me in the position of the little boy who cried wolf. I gotta hand it to you. You committed the perfect crime. You see that? She's wearing Miss Hunter's mink coat. Now see this. Look at these fur coats, all in bags. And the lady in that convertible is wearing Miss Hunter's coat. But where's the empty storage bag? The body's in the storage bag. To keep it from smelling when it decomposes.
Enough, Columbo.
Before I go, sir, do you mind if I use your phone?
Go ahead.
Don't worry, sir. It's a local call. Thank you, sir. Sorry to bother you. Did you hear that?
¿Qué pasó, señor? No sé lo que es.
When I didn't see Miss Hunter's beeper on whoever it was who drove through the main gate last night, and I couldn't find it in her jewelry box, I figured you left it on her body. I got the number from the mobile phone company, and you just saw me dial in my message. Just one more thing.